Chapter 12. A trip to a mall. Learning objectives. 1. Knowing about malls and Antarctica. 2. Comprehending the life of penguins and polar animals. The penguin went to a mall to buy some woolen shawls. She lived in Antarctica, where it was freezing cold. Her clothes were worn out and torn, so she needed to buy new ones. The penguin went to the mall, which was huge and tall. There were Arctic terns and seals around. The music was played in loud sound. She soon got what she wanted. Her new clothes would be soon flaunted. Find meaning. Shawl, a large piece of cloth worn by a woman. Penguin, a black and white sea bird. Arctic, connected with the region. Flaunted, to show something you are proud of. Exercise time. Answer the following question in a phrase. One has been done for you. A. Who went to a mall? Answer. Penguin went to a mall. B. Why did the penguin go to the mall? Answer. The penguin go to the mall to buy some woolen shawls. C. Who were there in the mall around? Answer. There were Arctic terns and seals around. D. How was the music played in the mall? Answer. The music was played in loud sound. Find their meanings. A. Terns. C. Bird. B. Loud, noisy. C. Flaunted, show off. Write the next two lines of the poem given below. The penguin went to mall to buy some woolen shawls. She lived in Antarctica, where it was freezing cold. Tick the right options. A. The penguin went to a 1. College, 2. Mall, 3. Lake. 2. Mall. B. The penguin lived in 1. Asia, 2. Australia, 3. Antarctica. 3. Antarctica. C. In Antarctica, it was 1. Extreme hot, 2. Freezing, 3. Neither hot or cold. 2. Freezing. D. The mall was 1. Huge, 2. Tall, 3. Both of these. 3. Both of these. Match the following. Column A. Malls, Antarctica, music. Column B. Cold, loud, shawls. Answer. Malls, shawls. Antarctica, cold. Music, loud. Let's enjoy the poem. Color the figure using earbuds and paint colors. Make the figure beautiful and clean. Writing skills. Have you ever been to a mall with your parents? What things did you see there? Write their names. Reading skills. Divide the class into groups of 2. Ask every student to read the poems and try to solve them. This group who answers all of them correctly fastest wins chocolates. A. What's even smarter than a talking penguin? B. Where do penguins keep their money? C. Why are penguins popular on the internet? D. Which fish do penguins eat late at night time? E. Where do penguins go to the movies? Listening and speaking skills. Read the poem below and mention the rhyming words after reading it. I'm a little penguin. I am a little penguin in the snow. I slide on my tummy to and fro. I eat the fish from the deep blue sea. I'm black and white, as you can see.